wildlife enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the underwater world to meet some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, giant clams. These gentle giants are more than just pretty faces. They're vital members of coral reef ecosystems. Imagine swimming through a coral reef, a kaleidoscope of colors swirling around you. Suddenly, you spot something extraordinary, a giant clam. Its massive shell slightly ajar, revealing a breathtaking display of vibrant blues, greens, and purples. These magnificent creatures, reaching up to 4 feet in length and weighing over 500 pounds, are a sight to behold. But don't let their size intimidate you. Giant clams are harmless filter feeders, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans. So join me as we explore the fascinating world of giant clams, uncovering their secrets and learning why their conservation is so important. Crikey, let's dive in. What makes a clam a giant clam? It's all in the family. Giant clams belong to the Traity family. These are the heavyweights of the clam world. The giant clam can grow up to 4 feet and weigh over 500 pounds. It's their dazzling colors that set them apart. Their mantles come in an array of colors and patterns. Giant clams aren't just found anywhere in the ocean. They have a particular fondness for warm tropical waters. Think crystal clear turquoise waters teeming with life and, of course, vibrant coral reefs. These reefs provide the perfect home for our colorful giants, offering protection from predators and a stable environment to thrive. You see, giant clams are sedentary creatures, meaning they attach themselves to the reef and stay put for their entire adult lives. They prefer shallow waters where sunlight can easily reach them, crucial for their symbiotic relationship with the algae living within their tissues. From the Great Barrier Reef in Australia to the coral atolls of the Maldives, these magnificent creatures grace the Indo-Pacific region with their presence. Their distribution spans across a vast area, showcasing their adaptability and resilience in diverse marine environments. However, their reliance on specific habitat conditions also makes them vulnerable to threats such as pollution and habitat destruction. Now, let's talk about one of the most fascinating aspects of giant clams, their unique feeding strategy. These gentle giants have a trick up their mantle. They harness the power of the sun. You see, giant clams have a special relationship with tiny algae called zooxanthellae. These microscopic powerhouses live within the clam's mantle tissue, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy through photosynthesis. Think of it as having a built-in garden. The zooxanthellae provide the clam with a constant supply of food while the clam offers them a safe and sunny home. It's a win-win situation. This symbiotic relationship is crucial for the giant clam's survival, allowing them to thrive in nutrient-poor waters where food is scarce. So next time you see a giant clam basking in the sun, remember that it's not just soaking up the rays, it's fueling its body with the help of its tiny photosynthetic partners. A love story millions of years in the making. Giant clams might be stationary, but they know how to make a splash. These underwater romantics have a unique reproductive strategy. They release eggs and sperm into the water, creating a swirling cloud of love. Talk about a romantic underwater snowstorm. Timing is everything. They synchronize with lunar cycles and water temperatures. Fertilized eggs become larvae, drifting in search of a home on the reef. The dangers lurking beneath the waves. Giant clams might seem invincible, but sadly, they face numerous threats in the wild. These gentle giants are particularly vulnerable to human activities that are disrupting the delicate balance of our oceans. One of the biggest threats is overfishing. Giant clams are considered a delicacy in some cultures, and their shells are highly prized for their beauty. This has led to unsustainable fishing practices that are decimating giant clam populations. Pollution is another major threat to these creatures. Runoff from agriculture, sewage, and industrial waste introduces harmful chemicals into the water, damaging coral reefs and harming the delicate tissues of giant clams. Climate change is also taking a toll. Rising ocean temperatures and ocean acidification are bleaching corals, destroying the homes of giant clams and disrupting the delicate balance of the entire reef ecosystem. Protecting our colorful giants. The situation might seem dire, but there's still hope for our colorful giants. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide to protect these magnificent creatures and their fragile reef homes. One of the most effective strategies is the establishment of marine protected areas. These areas restrict fishing and other harmful activities, providing a safe haven for giant clams and other marine life to recover and thrive. Education and awareness campaigns are also crucial. By teaching people about the importance of giant clams and the threats they face, we can inspire action and encourage sustainable practices that protect these creatures for generations to come. Scientists and researchers are also playing a vital role. They're studying giant clam biology, reproduction, and habitat requirements to develop effective conservation strategies and ensure their long-term survival. It's a team effort, and everyone has a role to play in protecting these underwater treasures. Giants of legend and lore. Giant clams have captivated human imaginations for centuries. In many Pacific Island cultures, these creatures are revered as symbols of strength, prosperity, and good luck. Legends and myths about giant clams are woven into the fabric of these societies, passed down through generations. Some stories depict giant clams as protectors of the sea, while others tell tales of their immense size and power. In some cultures, giant clam shells are used in traditional ceremonies and rituals, highlighting their spiritual significance. These shells are also prized for their beauty and are often carved into intricate designs and patterns, showcasing the artistic talents of these communities. The cultural importance of giant clams emphasizes the need to protect these creatures, not just for their ecological value, but also for their significant role in human history and heritage. A call to action. Save the giant clams. Well, there you have it, folks. We've explored the fascinating world of giant clams. From their incredible size and vibrant colors to their vital role in marine ecosystems, we've learned about their unique feeding habits, their epic love stories, and the threats they face in the wild. But most importantly, we've discovered that there's hope. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on the ocean, and spreading awareness about these incredible creatures, we can help ensure that giant clams continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. So, let's all do our part to protect these gentle giants. Remember, every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Crikey, let's save the giant clams.